Today, I'm going to show you how to fix DoorDash unable to verify identity. So, the best method is to contact their support. Launch the Dasher app on your phone and tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. It might look like a hamburger icon. Scroll down to find the Help or Support button. In the Help section, look for the Contact Us or Account Issues option. If there's an option to describe your issue, type that in and what you want to know what is holding up your account. You can either use a chat option or choose the Call Support option to speak to a live representative. When you're connected, explain that you want to know what is preventing your Dasher account from being active or fully approved. Once you're connected with a support agent, ask them for specific details about why your account is on hold and what steps you need to take to resolve it. DoorDash support will be able to give you insight into any issues with your account and guide you through any necessary actions to get your Dasher account up and running again. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.